Hi everyone, my name is Fiona Meade and I'll be teaching Improvers Crochet at the upcoming SWI Summer School from the 15th to 19th of August. Improvers Crochet is suitable for anyone who can do the very basics of crochet, so that's just the UK double or treble crochet. So if you can crochet in a simple row or make a granny square, this class is for you. During this course, we'll work on our own project, a pair of fingerless gloves. We'll use these to help us learn how to read patterns and charts, how to add colour and texture to your projects. We'll also learn how to get the best finish, from sewing up to blocking your work for those perfect corners. Come along to Improvers Crochet and expand your skill set in just 3 days. You'll be making the projects of your dreams before you know it.